Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a video that somebody did a short in Adobe Illustrator and they just can't quite grasp what they do because they use some different tools. So we're going to grab the Polygon tool and make a six-sided polygon. Now to make it kind of proportionate, I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it over. And then I'm going to rotate this one 30 degrees. So I get it like that. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to move that node to right. Well, no, I'm going to move that to right there, making this diamond shape. And I normally make the diamond shape another way, but this is kind of what the gentleman did or the person did. And I'm just going to kind of mimic it. I'm going to go and hit B to put that in the bottom. Now I'm going to bring this diamond shape down, holding the control button to about right in there. Now here's the difference. We have to turn that one into a curve, and then I'm going to get rid of those two nodes, and I'm going to bring this down to about there. That pattern in itself is pretty cool, but then if you take this and get the 4-point cross and hold down your control button till it locks. Now I'm going to make both of them black. I'm going to go in and reduce it in size. And I'm going to go in and, what I'm going to do is make the outline thicker. I'm going to make it thicker than I did the original. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And by doing that, I can left click, right click, and I can see when it welds that it becomes one piece. Now I'm going to take the 4-point cross and I'm going to nudge it up 2 inches. You can play around with that, but then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it there. I've already done this, but you can do it yourself and figure out, you can have that pattern. Matter of fact, we might do another one. Matter of fact, let's do that. Let's make a duplicate of this. And then there should be 2 duplicates of this on top of there. There are. So we're going to rotate this one 30 degrees because I've already kind of tested it. Rotate it again 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, I think I actually made 2 copies of that, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to weld it. And this worked pretty good because our joints are perfect. On the first one, I actually had the joints kind of messed up, so I actually did a better job. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this in, and that looks pretty cool. Let's look at that on a black background. That really makes it stand out. So let's do one a little bit differently. Let's move this back to there. I don't know if I'm right there. I'm going to nudge it up twice. But this time I'm going to rotate it something divisible by 360, so I'm going to go 20. Well, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D, 20, and you're going to make a whole different pattern. Control D. And now when you weld it, look what we get. Maybe not as cool, but equally a good pattern. Anyway, so I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.